Good morning students. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about additions. Shall we do some problems on addition? First one is add 343 and 421. 343 and 421. Here see, if you observe here, it is started from which place to 343. That means it is started from hundreds place to number. So we have to write the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds. Up to hundreds, right enough. Why? It is started from hundreds place to know. So ones, tens, hundreds place enough. Now first number 343. So hundreds place 3, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. Okay. Next one here also 421. So this number is also start from which place to hundreds place to. So we have to write from 4 to 1. Now we have to do the addition. Now first number 3, down number 4. Down number what here 1. Down number how many is there? 1 is there. Take one finger. 3 after 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Next here 4, 2. Here down number 2, take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. Right here 6. Next, take 2 numbers. Say 3, 4. Here first take down number figure 4. Take 4, up number 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Next one. Second one. Add 489 and 567. 489 and 567. If you observe here, this first number is started from which place? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 489. So we have to write from up to 100 places. Ones to 100. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. First number 489. So 489. Second number it is also, what is the place values here? Ones, tens, hundreds. So it is also started from hundreds place too. So we have to write 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Now add these two. If you observe, it is started from hundreds place to, it is started from hundreds place too. So we have to start from writing the number from hundreds place too. Okay. Now 9 plus 7. First take down number fingers, 7 fingers. Down number take 7. Take 7 fingers. Up number 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in that 16, 6 is in ones place. 1 we have to write in the tens place. 16. Next one. 8, 6, 1. But the middle number is 6. Take 6 fingers first. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That 14 you have to keep in your mind. Why we have to keep in your mind? One more number is here. 1. 14 after 1, 15. Here 1, 5, 15. Okay, next one here it is 4. 4, 5, 1. Here middle number is 5. Take 5 fingers. Up number is 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here one more number is there. 1, 9 after 10. Okay. Here also write the place values. Hundreds. Next third one. Next one. Add 3,489 and 4,263. Here also write the place values, ma. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. It is started from thousands place too. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. It is also started from thousands place too. Then we have to write the place values up to thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, it is started from thousands plus to no, right? 3,489. This number also started from thousands plus 2, right? 4,263. Now add this one. What is the symbol for addition, ma? Yes, the symbol for addition is plus. We have add. Now first take 9 with 3. First take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. So 1 here, 2 here. Next here up number 8, down number 6. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 we add means 14 plus 1, 15. Here it is 15. Next here 4. 4 after take 2 fingers. Down number 2, take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. Again one more number is there. 6 plus 1, 7. Next here 3, 4 is there. Down number 4, take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,752. Next one more problem. Add 248, 3,496 and 79. 79. Here also first write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Starting number is starting from which place to write? Enough. Ones, tens, hundred. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here it is ones, tens. Ones and tens. Now write the place values up to what is the highest place value? Thousand. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first number is starting from hundreds place to. So we have to start writing hundreds place. 248. Second number is starting from thousands place to 3,000. So we have to start from 3,000. Thousands place to 3,496. Next number 79. It is starting from tens place to. So we have to start writing tens place to 79. Now add this one. Addition symbol plus. First middle number, take the fingers. What is the middle number here? 6. Take 6 fingers. Up number 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That 14 we get 14. 14 keep it in your mind. What is the next number here? 9. Take 9 fingers. Before you keep in your mind what number? Yes. What number I keep in your mind? Yes. I keep in my mind 14. So 14 after we have to count. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So in that here we have to write 2, here we have to write 3. Okay, next one. Here also 4 after here what number is given? 9. So take 9 finger. Here up number 4. 4 after count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much we get? 13. That 13 we have to keep in our mind. What is the next number? 7. Take 7 fingers. What number we keep in our mind? Yes. We kept in our mind 13. So 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We get how much, Nana? 20. Enough? Completed is it? No. Here one more number is there. That is 2. Before how much we get? Yes, how much we get? Yes, 20 we get. 20 after 2, 21, 22. So here also here 2 and here 2. Next here see. Next 2, 4, 2. Here next middle number 4. Take 4 fingers. Up number 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. How much we get? 6. Here still 2 is there. 6 after 7, 8. Here only one number is there. That is as it is. We have to write. Fifth one. Add 2,489, 4,561 and 3,572. Okay, here this one. Same first what we have to do? We have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first digit is in which place? Write enough mark. There too we have to start. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we have to write the places values up to thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So thousands place to we have to start. So 2489. Next 4561. Next 3572. Now we have to do the addition. Symbol plus. Same here, middle number, take finger 1. Take one finger, 9 after 1. 9 plus 1 easily you know. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 when we add to 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Yes, here 1, here 2. Next, 8 plus 6. Okay, now 8 plus 6 how much? Take 6 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 14 keep it in your mind. Next number 7. Take 7 fingers. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 1? Yes, 22. 21 plus 1? 22. Next 4. Next number 5. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again take 5 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 after again take 2 fingers. 15, 16. Here 1, here 6. Next one. 2 plus 4. 4 is here. 2 plus 4 easily you know. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, when we add 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay children? Add. Okay, next this number. First we have to check the place values number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. The first number place value is 10,000. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Next here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. It is 10,000. Okay, first number 10,000 places, so we have to write from the place values ones to 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Up to 10,000 places we should write. Now first number is started from 10,000 plus 2, so we have to start from here too. 23,482. Same second number also it is started from 10,000 place too. So 56,942. Next number 68. It is also started from 10,000. So 68,743. 743. Do now addition. Do the addition. Add. 2 plus 2 how much? 4. 4 plus 3? 7. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 3 sir. Next 8 plus 4. 8 is 8 after 4. 4 numbers. 8 after 10, 11. Sorry. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Here 8 is there. 8 after we have to take 4 fingers. 4 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Again take 4. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, here 1, here 6. Next here, up number 4, down number 9. Take 9 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have to keep it in our mind 13. Next take 7 fingers. Take 7 fingers. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Plus 1, 21. Here 2, here 1. Same. 3 plus 6 how much? Easily you know 3 plus 6, 9. Again take 8 fingers. Take 8 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. Here 1, here 9. Next. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 you know. 7 after take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Add. Next add 95,622. This number ma, first we have to write the place values of each other. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000. It is 10,000's place. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs. It is lakhs place. 1s, 10s, 100,000. It is thousands place. 1s, 10s, hundreds. It is ones place. Here what is the biggest place value? Lakhs. So we have to write the place values up to lakhs. 1s, 10s, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay, the first number is started from 10,000s plus to number. So we have to start writing from 10,000. 95,622. Next number is started from lakhs plus 2. So 7,31,277. Next number started from 1000 plus 2. So 4,531. Next number started from hundreds plus 2. 267. Do the addition. Here first 2 plus 7. Easy you know. 2 plus 7 how much? 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 17. Next 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 3 10 11 12. Again take 6 fingers. 12 we get no more. 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 plus 1 19. Next 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 how much? 8. 8 plus 5. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 2. 14, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Next one 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Here 9 plus 3. 9 after take 3 fingers 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Here 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, next one. Add. And these two numbers we have to add. First we have to check the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Then it is started from crores place too. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. It is started from 10 lakhs place. So we have to write the place values from which place to which place. Yes, the highest one is crores place. So ones place to crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. These are the place values. So we have to start this number from crores to 2 crore 46 lakh 83,951. So next number is started from 10 lakhs first. So we have to start from here to 62 lakh 58,637. Now what we have to do? Addition. Do the addition. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 9 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 9 plus 6. 9 up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, here it is 15. Next, 3, 8, 1. Next here 8 is there. Take 8 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 is here. 11 plus 1, 12. It is 12. Next 8, 5. Here what is the middle number? 5. We have to take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 1 is there. 13 plus 1, 14. Okay, next 6 plus 2 how much? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4? It is 10. We get 2 numbers. So 1 we have to write close place. Here 0. Now 2 plus 1, 3.